Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cabinetry Accelerator podcast. My name is Jeff. I'm on the team here at the Cabinetry Accelerator program, and then I also work alongside Travis running the shop for our cabinetry business as well. And today I want to spend some time talking about AI and really hone in on 3 ways that we can use AI in our business to help take some things off of our plate, almost add a part-time employee to be thinking for us so that we can be doing more of the things that we love. I don't think it's any secret over the last 5+ years, AI is quickly becoming one of the most valuable tools that businesses in general can use, but also cabinetry businesses, we can be taking advantage as well. And not because it replaces people, but it helps your team work faster, market better, and communicate more clearly with clients. And so today, again, we're talking about 3 practical ways that we can use AI effectively. And so number 1 is creating realistic project visuals and renderings for our clients. Number 2 is writing better website copy. And 3 is creating social media content faster. So the goal is simple. Really, we want to be saving time, improving our presentation, and helping you win more clients. And so one of the most powerful uses of AI for cabinetry businesses, that number 1 is creating realistic visualizations of a designed space. So as you know, many clients really struggle visualizing the final result from engineered drawings or CNC files or flat layouts alone. And so AI can really help transform concepts into polished, realistic images that help clients feel more confident before construction even begins. And that's going to help them increase their excitement for the project. It's going to help increase your close rate as a business owner, and it's going to reduce their hesitation during the sales process. It's also going to create stronger marketing visuals for your portfolio and social media in the future after this project is complete. So the important thing to understand is that AI, it works best when you give it detailed instructions. And so, for example, using a prompt like this: create a realistic rendering of a modern kitchen with white oak, flat panel cabinetry, matte black hardware, quartz countertops, warm under cabinet lighting, large island seating for 4, white walls, natural light, high-end residential design, photographed with a wide angle interior photography style. That's a mouthful, but it's specific. And so the more specific that your prompt is, the better your results become. You want to mention things like the cabinet style, the materials, the colors, the lighting, the design style, the mood, even giving it an angle that the camera should be at when you're taking that. You can also upload pictures of your client's actual space and have it turn that space into what you're going to be turning it into. We also use it, as you can see here on the screen. Here's a CNC rendering file. It's fine. It's 3D a little bit, but taking that image and telling AI to create a realistic image of that just makes such a difference for your client. So think of AI like giving instructions to a designer or a photographer, except you'll get your results almost instantly, and also there's no hurt feelings when you're being direct. It's just short and sweet. Here's what I need, and you get it right back immediately. Another major opportunity is using AI to help write clearer and more professional website content. So many cabinetry business owners, they know their craft extremely well. I'm sure that's you, but writing for your website and social media can be time consuming and frustrating. I know it has been for me in the past. And AI, it can help you write homepage content, service descriptions, about us pages, project descriptions. It's going to help you craft your SEO and use SEO friendly language that helps you get clicks on your website and clear calls to action. So I also want to make note, this doesn't just mean copy and pasting blindly. The best approach is using AI to create a strong first draft that you then take and personalize to your brand voice. So, for example, here's a prompt you could use: write homepage copy for a custom cabinetry company that specializes in high-end residential kitchens and built-ins. The tone should feel professional, modern, and trustworthy. I want you to emphasize craftsmanship, attention to detail, and personalized design service. Include a strong headline, short introductory paragraph, and a call to action encouraging visitors to schedule a consultation. So notice all of the context in this prompt. AI, it is especially useful when you give it context. So you want to answer questions like who your ideal client is, your style of work, your company values, your service area, the tone that you want within the text, again, the more context that you provide, the more accurate and useful the writing becomes. So then from there, you make it your own. A couple pro tips in making it your own: maybe get rid of all of the long dashes in the text. AI likes to add dashes. That can be a telltale sign that this paragraph on your website is AI text if your clients are kind of looking out for that in any way. Also, want to make note of repeat words. Sometimes AI will take one phrase that you gave it as a piece of context and decide to just use it repeatedly. For example, one time I was putting together a post and mentioned being a master of their craft as something to highlight. Well, it ran with that, and it used master of their craft in every other sentence, and it just made it very clear, master of their craft, master of their craft. Obviously, that was too much, and I wasn't able to use it as it was, but I was able to reprompt, ask it to use that phrase less. I could also just take them out myself. All that to say, just read it over, make sure it is you and your company, and enjoy the time saved not having to come up with all of that language yourself. So last but not least, the third way to use AI for your business is social media. Consistent social media posting. It is one of the hardest things for most business owners to maintain, and AI, it can dramatically speed this up by helping you create captions, video hooks, post ideas, educational content, client spotlight posts, before and after of your projects. The key is using your real project photos and letting AI help you with the messaging. So here's an example prompt, again, that you can use for social media. I want you to write an Instagram caption for a custom cabinetry company showcasing a newly completed modern kitchen with white oak cabinets and hidden pantry storage. The tone should feel high-end but approachable. Include a strong opening hook, mention craftsmanship and functionality, and end with a question encouraging engagement. Easy. Done. 60 seconds and you have an engaging post with a great caption. But don't stop there with social media. You should also have AI create 30-day post ideas so that you don't have to think about your schedule for social media over the next month or for each individual post. Have AI do that for you. Create real scripts, educational tips, seasonal promotions, content targeted towards homeowners, builders, or designers, whoever you want to target. Again, this helps your business stay visible online without having to spend hours and hours writing content every week. So there you have it. 3 ways to use AI in your business that will save you hours and hours. The businesses that learn how to use AI effectively now are going to have a major advantage moving forward. So if that sounds uncomfortable to you, or you're not sure about AI, let me reassure you, AI, it's not replacing craftsmanship, it's not replacing design, expertise, or relationships. What it does is it helps your business communicate better, market more consistently, present projects more professionally, and save time on repetitive tasks so that you can spend much more time doing the things that you love, creating, building, and developing those relationships. The most important thing to remember is this: AI works best when it's paired with your experience and knowledge. So start simple, experiment with prompts, refine the results, and use AI as a tool to support the quality work your company already does every single day. If you'd like help implementing AI tools into your cabinetry business workflows, reach out to our team, schedule a call, because we'd love to help guide you through the process and help your business get to that next level. We'll see you on the next one.